What would you like to be able to say to yourself at the end of the season?
This was one of the interview questions, you sly little dog.
Well, I wasn't there for your interview.
I would like to be able, I would like to be able to say, oh yeah, I'm a level 3 skier now.
Okay, yeah.
However, what I think's probably going to be, what I would like to be able to say is that I feel comfortable instructing all groups. Okay, that's what I'd like to be able to say.
Are you going to take your level 3
I think
this
so.
season?
Yeah.
You're just going to go for it straight in?
I think I'm just going to book it, and then worst case scenario, if I absolutely mince it and cream in, then I know for next time, don't I?
Okay.
I think it'd just be a good gauge of my abilities.
Fair
if they're
enough.
like, mate, you're terrible, then I'd be like, okay, yeah, I need a bit of work.
Okay.
But you never know. Might go and might do all right. I think you know Jake, the instructor who had us.
Yeah.
He did his level 3 on his first season.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he said he didn't plan to. He wanted to just teach for the season.
Yeah.
But he got about halfway through and then was just like, oh, I'm just gonna give it a go, and then got it.
Yeah.
So
I don't think I'm that good.
I don't think I'm that
My
good,
self-belief is very low.
but there's only one way to find out.
This is true. Well, I have to take my Park 1 anyway before I can even...
Yeah, you were saying,
Level
didn't you?
three.
Yeah. That's a bad idea.
I think level 3, you got to do all 4 180s and both 360s, I think. Pretty sure that's a requirement.
Fair one.
Which I think I can do all 4 180s.
Yeah, I think I've seen you do all 4 180s.
The back 360 I've only done a couple of times.
I think the thing for me is it's the reason I want to get the like now having skied for the last couple of days.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm interested in getting the level 3 now is because it's like I want to get better at skiing, as in like not like no disrespect, but not like tricks or stuff. It's
technical skiing.
I want to be able to ski really well in all, like, you know, when we're on Easter shoots and I was like, go. It's like I want to be able to just look at that and be like, piece of piss, bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
So I think that's what's I'm gonna play.
I think I'd like the Park 1. I'd like to get the carving.
Yeah,
And in terms of general riding,
I think you're bloody there on your general riding.
it's better today.
Not bad.
I think turning right in the trees and the moguls is miles better than it was at the end of last season.
Yeah,
But I'm still conscious
Yeah,
of
yeah.
it, if that makes sense. So I'd like to be able to not
yeah,
think
like
about it.
no, I get you. Yeah, no, it's not in control. So.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think that's the plan anyway. But I mean, if I don't book a level 3, it's not like my season's ruined or anything. If like I get halfway through the season, I'm like, actually, you know, I'm enjoying myself. I don't want to book a level 3 because it's another $400 as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'd like to give it a go, but I ain't gonna cry if I can't get it. Is there any run that you would like to be able to do on this mountain? Like, I know we have
I'd like
done
to be
all
able to do link turns on the cliff without traversing 500 yards across.
Yeah. Yeah, fair one. I think I'm probably the same actually. I think the last time I did the cliff, I was like, I was going all the way across it.
I'd like to get a teaching thing under my belt this season. I'd love a job in New Zealand for next season.
Yeah.
Then ideally come back here, take the level 3, assuming I've got other stuff.
Yeah.
And then just see where we're at.
Amen, brother.
And that is the end of Chairlift Chat. Woo!